guys, welcome to another video. Today it's another quick one and it's to tell you about another social event that myself, Claire from Penguin and Pear and Gemma from A Girl Sew Geeky have organised, and it is the Sew Southampton Meet Up. Basically, I got really jealous of all the Sew Brum and Sew Up North and the Sew Bristols and all those kind of meetups that were going on that are so far away from where I live. Yeah, I got so jealous of all of those meetups that I decided that I wanted to do something that was going to be local to me. And whilst Southampton does not have the most amazing selection of fabric shops, there are 3 if you count IKEA, what it will be is a really fun day meeting up with like-minded people who are also into sewing. So the timetable is that we're going to be meeting up at 11 o'clock and to trawl the John Lewis haberdashery section. Now whenever I go over to Southampton I always go in there and have a look. They do have some beautiful fabrics in. The last time I was there was a floral silk that I absolutely fell in love with, and then saw that it was about £28 a metre and walked away. So we're going to be hitting John Lewis haberdashery first. We're then going up to Ed's Diner for lunch, and Ed's Diner is one of my favourite guilty pleasures. Up until I was a vegetarian, I used to go there and have the chicken goujons with salad and the most ginormous milkshake ever. They do a very good veggie menu, and they have a gluten-free menu as well, so it should cater to most dietary requirements. If it doesn't though, it's in the food court, so there is lots and lots of different food options available. Once we have finished our leisurely lunch, I have warned them that there's a lot of people coming, we will be heading to Fabricland, which is just outside of the shopping centre, and they have some amazing bargains in there. I have bought a few cotton poplins from them in the past, one of which I've made up into a Anna Flora hybrid, and the other one is still waiting for the perfect pattern to emerge. After that, if we have the energy, we are going to head over to IKEA, to the fabric department in IKEA. Now there are some amazing fabrics that they do. They are heavier weight cottons predominantly, but they do a fabric called Bomel, I think that's how you pronounce it, and you can buy it by the bulk, and that stuff is amazing for making muslins. So if nothing else, there is good muslin fodder in IKEA. So yes, only 3 fabric shops, but it will be fun, and as I say, it will be lovely to meet up with some like-minded people and discuss all things sewing. So we have when I thought about this, I approached Gemma and Claire and just said, would you guys like to do this with me? This would be really cool. And they were like, yeah, that'd be great. And then they took the ball and they ran with it. Those girls are amazing, and it didn't even occur to me, but they have got some amazing sponsors on board. So I'm going to run through the list now, and fingers crossed there's going to be room for everybody's logos as we go up. So we have Spoonflower, La Matzia Fabrics, Pound Fabrics, which was Adam Ross Fabrics, Like So Amazing, The Eternal Maker, Sewalicious, Minerva Crafts, Girl Charlie, Sew Over It, Tilly and the Buttons, Fabric Magpie, Dragonfly Fabrics, Cocowawa Crafts, Sew Essential, and finally the Crafty Sew and Sew. That's an amazing list of sponsors, and we have the first 20 tickets are getting a goodie bag, and then everybody else that comes will be getting a goodie bag, but it will be including all of the discount codes that were given to us by these different sponsors. But as you can imagine, 20 people to provide actual items and gifts for was quite a lot, so our sponsors have been absolutely amazing, and as I say, that's all down to the hard work of Gemma and Claire. I didn't even do the logo. I got my web guy to do the logo, but you know, I did the logo and I put together the event, and you know, yeah. So I have got the link down below. We already had 28 people coming, and that's not including myself, Gemma, Claire and my mum. I'm going to up the amount of tickets to 40, and the only reason I'm saying please get a ticket is so that we can get an idea of how many people are actually turning up, so that we can have the right number of goodie bags prepared, and also so I can warn the restaurant as to how many people will be descending on them at around about 12:30. Just, you know, so they're not completely shocked. Fingers crossed we can get a table. It's going to be interesting. But yes, I really hope if you're in the area and you are interested in sewing that you can come and join us. It should be a really fun afternoon, and the company should make up for the lack of amazing sewing and fabric stores that we don't have in Southampton. So I really hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye!